dance and tease. Yeah, but yeah, that she just dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. Me know where you want.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing a review on Megalook hair, and as you guys can see, this is my first time seeing the hair. I just took it out of the package that it came in the mail and everything. So right now I'm just opening the bag, showing you guys what they gave me, a whole bunch of goodies and things that will help out with the hair. So as you see, I'm about to open up the hair. It's 24 inches and this is how it looks right out of the box. And this is the lace. You can tell it's good quality lace. There's a band for adjustment and there are 4 combs inside the wig. And I'm really happy because the knots are really small and you'll see it more right now. This is how the wig looks like right off the bat. I just put it on. You can see how small the knots are, and that is such a good thing. It could use a little bit more plucking if you want. It really depends on how you prefer it. I personally don't feel like plucking it. I think it looks nice like this. Anyway, so I'm going to customize the lace. I'm going to take my Fenty bronzer and a flat brush, and I'm going to put that bronzer all over the flat brush and just go over the lace. So you want to focus on the hairline because you want to make sure that, you know, it looks like it's coming out of your scalp. And when it comes to bronzer, the reason why I don't choose just my foundation is because my bronzer is the closest shade to my forehead. And you'll see right now, like, it looks so much better. This is a before and after. Same wig, you guys. Yeah, before and after, and you see what I mean. It's so important to customize the lace and make sure that it's the same color as your skin. Alright, so now I'm just looking at the hairline, seeing what I want to do, and now I'm going to take off the wig to cut the lace. And as you guys already know, I never cut the lace just straight down. I always do it in an up and down motion. And this is going to prevent it from looking like just like, oh, there's the line, you know, there's the lace. It makes it blend in much more. So this is what it looks like when I put the lace on, when I put the lace wig on. And I'm realizing that I need to put a hot comb, but first what I'm going to do is put glue on my forehead, and while it is drying, I'm going to, you know, customize the front of the wig. So I took my heat protectant and I'm putting it all over the front because I'm about to pass my hot comb over it. And then I'm also going to use my wax stick to do that. And you can't really tell, but you can see that the glue is just slowly but surely drying. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that good loving. So this is how it looks after I apply it just with the glue. I know it looks crazy, y'all, but don't worry, trust the process. So I'm going to put the melting band that they provided for me, and I'm going to put it nice and tight around my head and to make sure that the lace is melting. And now I'm going to take it off, and I know you guys are gonna be scared. It's gonna look crazy, but don't worry, trust the process, okay? So the white stuff, I didn't include this in the video, but I had added a little bit of got2b spray glue just to make sure that, you know, it's nice and tight. So what you do in that situation, you literally just take a wipe and then you take your bronzer and you go over it, and it's really that simple, and it will look really, really good. Baby, I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop. So after I'm done doing that, I'm going to do some baby hairs. And yeah, so you guys will see how I do my baby hairs. I used to only do it on the side, but now I like doing it in the front too. I mean, you don't have to, but I like doing it in the front now. And then yeah, so I'm gonna cut them, add some mousse, and set them. now that I'm done doing the baby hairs, this is the part where I'm going to do a middle part. So I'm going to speed through this process, but basically what I do the middle part, and then I use my hot comb to make sure it's nice and flat. And then I am actually going to just cut a little bit of the front just so that it could have like a nice layering effect. And then I'm going to flat iron it, and yeah.
Tonight, I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you try to fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Where you gonna leave?
Alright, so this is what it looks like after I flat ironed it. I don't think you guys really care to see like how I did that because it's just, you know, flat ironed. But yeah, I take off the lace band and this is how it looks. I'm really loving it. I'm going to cut some sideburns with it too. And what I'm going to do is just to make sure that, you know, if I ever take pictures with flash or anything like that, I'm going to go over it with a little bit more bronzer. And this is the final look, you guys. It wasn't hard at all. It was really simple, as you guys saw. I'm really, really happy with this. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but at the top you can kind of see where the wig cap is. So you can just definitely take that off and it will match perfectly fine. So this is my first time, you know, trying out Megalook hair, and I'm very, very much impressed. This hair is beautiful and gorgeous. It's perfect for summer. It does not shed, and honestly, I recommend this hair to anyone. Shout out to Megalook Hair for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye for now.
Baby, I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop.